On May 1st, 2018, Gavin and Abbie attended an apprentice day at Travis Farley Design in Lewisburg, West Virginia. Travis is a graphic designer specializing in branding, logo, and print design. He is a Full Sail University graduate and works with startups, established businesses, and individuals looking for a passionate designer.
My name is Abbie, and I signed up for this apprenticeship day so that I could have more experience in graphic design and so that it would help me for in the future whenever I want to be a graphic designer. Today we designed a billboard so that the apprenticeship day could get more kids and employers involved. It was really fun. We went out to eat, we learned more about marketing and colors that go with billboards and graphic design.
Hey, I'm Travis Farley, and I have Travis Farley Design and Made You Look Digital Sign Company, and I'm doing Apprentice Day. I've got two students, Gavin and Abbie, and today we worked on graduation announcements for seniors, class of 2018, and then we went to lunch at a local restaurant in Lewisburg, and then we did billboards for National Apprentice Day, which will be up on Made You Look digital billboards for the month of May.
Your dream job. You imagine it, we find it free at apprenticeday.org. This program is free for kids and businesses. We are a 501c3 nonprofit. Please follow us at Apprentice Day on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and YouTube.
So like Kara, for instance, she wanted her business cards, because her logo was just a simple font like hers.